Welcome back, friends. You're watching Unity Car, and today I'm bringing you something that isn't just a vehicle, it's a dream, a passion, and a journey that can truly change your life. This is the 2025 Aurora Voyager Camper, a masterpiece that's making its mark around the world and leaving a story wherever it goes. Friends, this camper isn't your average road vehicle. It's built for those who turn every journey into an adventure, for those who never settle in one place, for those who want to feel the world under their feet. When you take this camper out on the road, it's as if the whole universe salutes you. Its presence is so powerful that people are drawn to it from a distance. The design of the Aurora Voyager feels like engineers and artists joined hands to create something truly extraordinary. Its blend of strength and style takes you into another world. Whether you're in snowy mountains, deep forests, or golden deserts, this camper becomes your perfect companion. It gives you the confidence to know that no road, no matter how difficult, is impossible for you. Here on Unity Car, we always bring you vehicles and campers that win people's hearts, but believe me, I've never seen a camper quite like the 2025 Aurora Voyager. Every angle, every curve, every line is so special that after one look, you'll want to see it again and again. Just imagine, you're in this camper, cruising on an open road, and the scenery around you keeps changing. Sometimes the icy wind brushes your face, sometimes the golden sunlight lights your path. Every moment is a new story, every view is a new feeling. That's the magic of the Aurora Voyager. It doesn't let your journey remain just a journey, it turns it into a lasting memory. This camper is for those who want to live life at full speed, who don't know how to stop, who choose their own destination. If you want people to look at you in awe, feel jealous when they see pictures of your trips, and ask you just one question, where did you get this camper? Then you'll have the answer, the 2025 Aurora Voyager. Friends, I want you to tell me in the comments, if you had this camper, where would you go first? And yes, stay connected with Unity Car, because we'll keep bringing you the most stunning campers and cars in the world, so your dreams can become reality. Like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, because this is just the beginning, the real journey is yet to come.